Banners are everywhere, online and at events, and today we're going to tell you how to design banners that will really stand out from the crowd. Banners used to just be things you hang up or pop up at physical locations, but nowadays banners are incorporated into nearly every major social media platform and are prevalent on many websites too. Banner advertising is just an organic part of online marketing now. Online banners serve basically the same exact function as physical banners, the only difference being you can click on them. But regardless of which type of banner you're designing, a banner serves a simple mission: advertise a product, service, or brand. So let's dive into how you can create amazing banners that will successfully accomplish that mission. The first part is to dial into the dimensions of your banner. Whether it's the printing size or the oddly specific measurements needed for LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, or any other online platform, without the proper dimensions, you could end up with a design that ends up awkwardly cut off, or you could have a poorly scaled image stretched out and looking all pixelated and gross. Even if you're going to be using your banner in a number of different places, get crystal clear on the dimensions for each use and design according to those sizes. Next is determining the content of your banner. Generally, banners have three pieces: background imagery, your logo, and a text element or slogan. If you have an established banner business, then your logo should be the easiest visual element to compile. Communicating your value proposition or the specific service you're advertising should be easy as well if you've marketed it elsewhere. You might have less space on a banner than your landing page though, so be sure to refine your message so it's in the clearest and simplest form. Background imagery is both key to grabbing attention and a good subliminal indicator of what your banner is trying to communicate. If you're promoting a new cookbook, you probably want some background imagery of delicious cooking or a family cooking together, depending on your positioning of the message. Or maybe you're using abstract imagery and drawing focus to a specific message or logo that you're debuting. We've talked about visual hierarchy in a number of videos now, and banner design is no different. In fact, it can make a clear hierarchy even more important because you usually have limited space on a banner and you need to guide your customers' eyes through the message quickly and clearly as they scroll, click, or walk past your banner. Be sure to take into account where the banner will be viewed when choosing your visual elements. You don't want it to clash with your website or distract from other more cohesive elements on a page layout or in an event space. Next, you need to think about your file format. If you're printing your banner out, you'll want to refer to your print service for recommendations, but if you're hosting it online, you'll want to pay special attention to the file size and the format. PNG and JPEG are recommended for still banners, and you'll want to keep the file size somewhere between 50 to 150 KB to avoid slowing down the load time of your banner or your site. If you decide to do an animated banner, then GIF is the file format for you, and again, you'll want to keep the file size as small as possible. Animated banners are a great way to grab attention on pages or enhance the navigation experience of a site with clear directions or a call to action that points to something outside of the banner itself. This is something we've done on sites like G2. Our last banner tip is to keep it simple. An eye-catching banner doesn't have to be crowded with information or have a crazy complex background image. Remember to keep your message and your call to action clear and simple. After you've designed your banner, treat it as a first draft and look at how you can make it even clearer, simpler, and leaner. Play with the copy, the colors, and the graphic elements until you get something that is on brand, delivers your message to your target audience with even a passing glance. Of course, once you have that perfect banner design, don't be afraid to repurpose it and use it in multiple times in multiple ways. Use it on social media profiles, as an ad on Facebook, on your blog, newsletter, or anywhere else you see fit. The more eyes on it and the more engagement, the more insights you'll glean and can use when you're designing your next banner. Of course, you could design a banner yourself or use some template editor online, but if you want truly unique and amazing banners, you should be working with Design Pickle. We have a global team of professional designers ready to design the perfect banner for your business. Requesting the multiple file sizes and types is easy with our platform's AI recommended file sizes. And if you're ready to make the jump from a still to an animated banner, we create those too. Thank you so much for watching this video on banners. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more of our content.